2, 3. You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that.
Guys, I'm back and I'm super excited because I have some human hair from Nadula hair, and y'all know I absolutely love them. If you look in the description box, you will see a direct link to this wig, all the details, their website, as well as that subscribe button. Be sure to click it because I upload either human or synthetic hair almost daily. Nadula hair is one of my most favorite women or men or whatever, one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers. I love them, and y'all know that's how I do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company out 4 or 5 times to make sure the quality is good. Is it beginner friendly? All of that jazz. And once a company checks off all those boxes, I add them to my rotation. Nadula definitely hit that mark a very long time ago. All I've done is take this out the shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera. So let's see what we got. It came with this little cute iridescent carrying case that I think is so neat. Like I told y'all in previous videos, I use these bags for everything. Like I have so much. I have a bag where in my bathroom I keep makeup brushes in it. So these are actually very handy. Outside of that bag, there was also a silk storage for your wig, storage bag for your wig with their name on it as well. And then we get the box. And the box is actually busting at the seams because I'm pretty sure they put tons of extras in here like they always do. Here's the wig. Let me just slide that one out of the way. All right, the extras are, we got some stocking caps. We have an edge band with their branding on it. We have a hair brush with their branding on it. We have another edge band with their branding on it, because if you like me, you lose them just like you lose wig caps. So they sent another pair, and some press-on nails. And look at this huge pretty bow that they sent. How cute is that? Not only that, y'all, look at this other little goodie that they sent. Now, they sent this with another wig that I got from them, and I thought that it was so cute. I done messed it all up. But it is a chain. It's a herringbone, got a little chain, and then it has their branding on it as well. It says Nadula, so that's a nice little touch. Okay, let's jump to this wig, because that's what y'all care about. So they also sent these pre-everything tabs that are absolutely bomb, and a glueless band. I forgot to mention that. So this wig is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. It is Yaki straight, and it is 24 inches long. So I'm gonna be honest, I just reviewed this wig, but the shorter version. So I got it in a 12-inch and a 24-inch because I know some of you are gonna like long hair, some of you are gonna like short hair. Hopefully I insert some footage right there. I did that so you guys can see that no matter if you want 12 or 24, Nadula is going to deliver. So let's look at this cap construction on this bad boy. Okay, so when Nadula says pre-everything wig, they truly mean pre-everything. This is this unit right out of the pack, just on my hand. As someone who cannot comb hair, the fact that I ain't got, because I wouldn't do it anyway. The bleach, color, pluck, clip, all that, I'm not gonna do it. And the fact that we can now get hair where that is already done is bomb.com. So this wig is a 13x4, just like the shorter version that I did. These two pre-everything tabs have already been attached, and they are so bomb. I'll show that to you. But like I said, they've included a pack of them for you to add them as you choose. In the back, you also have a comb and some adjustable straps, and you have the little bands for you to attach the glueless band to make the wig lay flush to your head. What I'm gonna do, because all I'm gonna have to do is run a flat iron through this, I'm gonna attach the glueless band to this wig and put it on my head so you can see what the wig looks like right out of the pack. So I've attached that glueless band. I'm going to put this unit on my head so we can see what we working with. And that's just what Nadula is going to deliver every time. All I'm gonna have to do is pick that up. But I'm gonna run my flat iron through this, y'all, and this wig is going to be good to go. I'll also on camera remove these pre-everything tabs so you can see how secure they make the wig fit on my head. So let me do all that and I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and just like the short one, I knew that this wig was going to be absolutely amazing. This is gorgeous. A lot of times when I'm doing like kinky straight hair, the density can make it poof up real big, but not with this one. The density on this one is absolutely perfection. Like I said, y'all, these little tabs, and you see I didn't even put any tint spray there, but that's actually good because you can see, look, I mean, it's just not moving. I use these pre-everything tabs on all of my wigs because they are so bomb.com. And it's such a great alternative to like got to be glued and all that mess, okay, where you feel like you having to scrape off half your scalp to get them off. To take these off, it does not take me any time at all. I would do it on camera, but I'm not. I gotta go take pictures. But to take them off on camera, like literally you just lift up a little bit and they start to pull out. But while it's on your head, it's not moving. So I absolutely love this wig. This is truly a pre-everything wig. Everything was done for me. said, if this length is too long for you, know that I've done the bob. I'm not sure the order these been uploaded, but the bob was just as cute, and you can get this in a variety of lengths. So this one is bomb, like every wig that I get from Nadula. If you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this one, as well as all the details, because this is one I think that you will be very, very happy with. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.